Good evening, fellow masters. Your host, Lord Valdrox, is here, and yes, to get to the point, if I'm rolling in this banner, it's for no particular, I guess, just to have craft essences to be able to participate in this event more feasibly. That's it. As far as Hijikata goes, I already have Kukule Null too. And Nikola Tesla, well, I may or may not decide to roll again when he shows up on radar, but again, that ship has sailed. So let's go ahead and start the rolls. 3, 2, 1, let's dance. Dun 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 dun. Gotta love that reference now. I guess no. Tough crowd, right? Music. As for how long I'll let this video run, well, it's quite problem I would say, because for the one I still haven't uploaded it. Oh, was that double-sided? Sorry, I must have been seeing this. In any case though, I haven't uploaded my previous videos that involve the Okita, which again, for those of you that are my support list, you probably already know. Ooh, we got the 4 stars, so we're not off to a completely bad start. All I need is 1 copy. Oh, we got a servant. All I need is 1 copy of the 5-star and we're pretty much set. A berserker. Nah, I can't. I didn't even care to get him. Desire sensor, there you have it, fellow masters. Now what am I gonna do with myself? Hey, got 3-star. So, I suppose I'll let it run to this. Part of the reason I say this is because, well, there is no no point in rushing. After all. We're pretty much set. Is there any point in rolling any more in this banner? I make a fair point right there. I mean, actually, in order to be able to farm more efficiently in this banner, you need at least several copies of practices. Not just one of each will do, after all. Should I skip? I think it's gonna end after this one, so we'll just let it run its course, right? But what else did I want to say? Right. I didn't even bother checking if Nikola Tesla was on rate up, like alongside the banner here. Let's take a beautiful snapshot. Sorry. Picture of that, right? I lost the word. I know, right? That's beautiful. We got everything we need, at least one of each for this event. But oh, desire sensor, how the wondrous you look. But the problem is, well, this is a problem. Again, it would only make sense if you watch the previous last video, which again wouldn't make sense because it still hasn't been loadable. We'll speak as if it's been watched, but then again, there's sound problems with the last one, so I'm technically safe, but because I'm an honest whale, right? An honest whale. In the last video, I'd said if I managed to get Okita to MP5, which I wasn't expecting it to happen, but if I did. But again, because the sound was cut off, but I'm just saying it right now, right? I said I would try to get Hijikata to MP3. But again, I'm half and half bound to those words because one, I only expect to get into MP2 at most. Because again, while I could wail hard, my priority and resources should be all to aim for CCC when that comes out. Both for Cecily and Kiara and Melt. And Passion, of course. So with that being said, and more copies of Alter Emia. Still though, I will dedicate at least a few more courses to this banner. What are the chances of getting AP2 Hijikata? Alright, I didn't bother checking it. So I didn't bother checking if there was anything else on radar, like Nikola Tesla. I doubt it since he's tied to a particular day. Oh, we got a servant. I should probably skip this one. Well, I'm letting the video run longer than it needs to, so here it goes. A 3, a 2, a 1, and a skip. Double tap. Ah, damn it, crap essence. That's fine. Yay. But what I could really go for is more of the 5-star essences. And that was their minimum. Well, I knew this wasn't going to be easy. But I'm not too uninclined to dedicate all the remaining parts of this session. I guess you could say a rolling session. And again, we've all seen my luck fluctuate, especially in the last 2 banners. With the male and Okita, especially Okita. But the chances of pulling 2 5-stars, I mean, it can happen. It can happen. It happens simultaneously with. But then again, those 2 5-stars weren't on radar, but it was with Best Clay and I forget who was it again. Anyways though, time to skip. Can't let the video run longer than it needs to. So here goes. 3, 2, 1. Before I skipped. Yeah, I know, just running my mouth. Double tap. I'm trying to remember who was the other host. There's 2 5-stars I pulled in succession. Wow, another bloody bare minimum, and this crap essence isn't even on radar. Yeah, I got servants, but still. You know what? No. Why do I even save tickets for it? They don't even work for me. Except only those 2 times with getting a spook Orion and a spook scanner off a ticket. Hey! More 3-star craft essences. I could use those. I think I'm down to the last 30 after this one. Interesting. Hey! More 4-stars, but I need more 5-star essences to farm better. Another essence, yay! Hey! Well, I guess this will make the servant incoming. This will make farming for the 4-star drops more easy. Anyways though, time to skip. So here goes. A 3, 2, 1, and a skip. Could have sworn I double tap, but I doubt it makes sense. Yeah, so here goes. Damn it, crap essence. It is fun, like I said. After getting, well, not if it's not a non-rate of essence. But, again, I'll have to take this. Again, the Medusa essence is right there. Need more copies of those. Oh, we're down to the last 2 30s. Time on the clock, again. Try not to let the videos run too long because then audio gets cut. Well, I don't think it'll get cut now because I cleared space on my recording device. So it should be fine now. And yet, like I said, I am slightly just regretting dropping boards more in this banner, but then again, like I said, I did get Hijikata, so it kind of offsets it because since the last time I rolled, like I wasn't expecting to get a 5-star so soon, but I did. Hey, we got another 5-star essence, event essence to be precise. So with that, it'll make farming. I think I'm pretty much done. I'm not. Well, okay. Here's the thing. This event essence, I think, is pretty darn good. I had to look it over again. So after this roll, actually, you know, we'll just skip after this one. 3, 2, 1, and double tap. Crap essence incoming. Damn it, you're not even radar. Automatic skip. Anyways, checking the Noble craft essence. Increases buster card effectiveness by 15% and MP strength by 15% for yourself. So yeah. And I take it a limit break, it becomes 25%. both respectively. So that's kind of like, I'm trying to think, there's another essence similar to it, but I think it's for arts. Anyways though, might as well just roll that last 30. So here goes. After this, again, I'll jump into the event. I'm not too, like I said, if I vote for MP2 Hijikata, that'll be that. Nikola Tesla, like I said, he had his chance. He's already had 2,100 quartz thrown at him. Yeah, I said not all at once, but simultaneously. The one time that he did have like a whole bunch of quartz thrown at him was the 1,200 amount. The rest was separate apart. Again, like I said, he hasn't answered the call, so there's no point in, pining for Nikola Tesla. He'll be the only 5-star that I've never gotten. The one that got away, you want to call it. So go. Make fun of this girl for not getting that servant, but again, I'm okay with my Ishtar. So with that being said, we may as well just end the rolls and skip right now. So here goes. 3. Ooh. What are we getting? Helena? I'm calling Helena. Nah, it's no way. I knew it. Raid up is alive, but I'm okay with that. Anyways though, we should still skip because no point in doing this. 2, 1 and double tap. We still got another essence. Damn it, you're not on raid up, so double tap. And that's it. Really? Another essence. That'll be another milk. Damn it, you're not on raid up, double tap. This, like I said, it pisses me off just a little bit because I could have been done with the banner right away. That should have been Hijikata. Yes, I know that's pushing my luck there, but that should have been Hijikata right there. It would have been MP2, and I would have been done with this banner. Like, that's it. But I know that was asking too much for it, right? Can't ride the coattails of luck too far. Anyways, though, on screen, what are we gonna do? Well, Noble Phantasm, Best Nurse. We're gonna get her to MP4. Yeah, she's at MP4 now. I feel bad because I don't really use her in battle at all. Anyone else to look over here? There's Hijikata, that's it. And we're done. I guess the other thing I could do on screen is, let's see. Alright, limit break that Noble Craft Essence, but I don't think I'll be able to limit break it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no point in keeping 6 of those essences at all either. So one of those is going to be burned as well. 3, 4. And again, I can't limit break that until after the event. That would have gotten a lot of the Medusa essences, but I guess not. So, what can I limit break? Anyways, this will be done off screen. Thank you for those of you that watch my videos, right? Seeing this mad whale roll madly. As always, this is your host, Lord Valderox. I'll try to keep my videos up to date. Like I said, there might be a delay with the previous video that followed before this one, so things might not make sense. Hopefully, I'll try to fix it somehow. I'll either choose to upload it with the missing sound at the end, or like record over it and kind of just have a different dialogue. Obviously, you won't hear the little music in the background, so it won't make any sense, or it might make sense. In any case, though, do take care.